Your Insta360 X5 is a creative powerhouse, but let's be honest, out of the box, it can't do everything. You're still fumbling for stable shots, worrying about battery life, and missing those truly unique angles. But what if the right accessories could transform your camera from a simple 360 cam into a complete, all-day filmmaking system? Today we're cutting through the noise. I've gone through all the latest gear and I'm revealing my top 11 new accessories for the Insta360 X5 and X4 Air that will genuinely change the way you shoot. Hey everyone, Saab here from the Tech Packer, helping you upgrade your experience on gear you want to buy or already own. A great camera is only the beginning. The real magic happens when you build an ecosystem of gear around it that solves problems and unlocks new creative possibilities. Now, Insta360 has just dropped a ton of accessories, so today we're doing a deep dive. I'll show you the details about each one, who it's for, and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. Let's start with the gear that makes carrying and shooting with your camera easier every single day. First up, the new 2-in-1 selfie stick and throw pod. At first glance, it's an excellent lightweight selfie stick, but its hidden superpower is the instant tripod. You literally just drop it and a built-in tripod automatically deploys, giving you a stable base for time lapses or static shots in seconds. It's an ingenious lighter solution to not having to carry a separate bulky tripod. It extends up to 1.1 meters or 3.6 feet for creative shots and some decent height when using it as a tripod. Now, it's not the widest base I've ever seen, so I'd be wary about using it in any wind, but it's a pretty sweet multi-tool to have in your bag that won't take up too much space or way too much, coming in at 230 grams and 25.5 centimeters or about 10 inches when in its smallest form. You can also buy the kit with the mini remote included or buy that separately. Watch my separate video, which I'll link at the end of this video, for more on the mini remote. But where do you put your selfie stick when you're not using it? That's where the new selfie stick holster comes in. This is so simple but so smart. It's a holster with a screw clip design that stays firmly attached to your backpack strap, allowing you to quickly stow your selfie stick and camera securely, keeping your hands free. No more awkwardly trying to shove it in a pocket. Whether you're hiking, traveling, or exploring a city, you'll always be ready to capture the moment. Set it up right, and you may actually be able to get some great video shots hands-free using this clip too. I'm not sure if it will fit the selfie stick I've just talked about, because the Insta360 website describes it as compatible with the Insta360 85cm, 114cm, the Action Invisible selfie stick, and the Bullet Time selfie stick 2.0. But it will fit a range of back strap widths. That's hard to say. Up to 1.4 centimeters thick and 7 centimeters wide. That's pretty wide. It's made of stainless steel and plastic and comes in at 139 grams with a maximum load for the holster of 400 grams. So actually, adding together the weight of the 2-in-1 selfie stick that I just talked about and the X5 itself, that would come in at 430 grams, which exceeds the recommended limit anyway. However, that stick plus the X4 Air would come in at 395 grams. But the girth of that selfie stick, yep, I just don't know. Insta360 says no. Next, the free framing selfie stick. This one is designed to turn your 360 camera into the ultimate vlogging tool. You can frame your InstaFrame 2.0 footage as you film for ready to share flat videos, no editing needed. If you're wondering what that is, watch my video about that firmware update. You can find it in the description. You can control recording, tracking, framing, and more directly from the selfie stick's joystick and buttons with the new virtual gimbal function added in that latest update. But with this accessory, there's no need to touch the camera. You can do it all from that controller on the selfie stick. You can also easily adjust the selfie stick's length and angle to capture the perfect shot from any perspective, and the built-in tripod adds stability and flexibility for fixed or hands-free shots. That includes easy transitioning between vertical and horizontal shooting for reels, stories, or widescreen videos, whatever you're shooting. And for those who want a more traditional photography experience, a new and surprising possibility for the X5. There's the new X5 photography grip. This is a dedicated ergonomic grip that makes your X5 feel much more like a classic point and shoot camera. All right, a little bit of a stretch, but more like a classic point and shoot camera. It gives you a secure, comfortable hold that's perfect when you're taking your time to compose a photo, making it easy to shoot really wide 2.35:1 photos with that kind of cinematic vibe. There's a tactile grip button for a classic point and shoot feel, coupled with a range of in-camera film filters and borders to give your photos a ready to export polished finish. Now, if you set the X5 to quick capture and a 3-second countdown, you can go from powered off to framing and capturing your image just by pressing the shutter button in just that short amount of time, which is something that I do. Now, it's available in both black and white to match the color of your X5. Did you know you can get the X5 in white too? Well, now you do. And why not? Next to carry your X5 and slimline selfie stick, there's the new everyday crossbody bag. This is a stylish compact bag designed specifically for your 360 camera kit, your phone, and your valuables when you're on a quick mission. The water-resistant fabric protects your camera in damp conditions, and the loop at the bottom is great to secure your selfie stick. Now, that loop fits the 85cm, 114cm, and the Action Invisible selfie sticks, but it won't fit the 3-meter extended selfie stick, Bullet Time Selfie 2.0, or the foldable utility handle, or the 2-in-1 selfie stick plus tripod I talked about earlier. Nevertheless, with the right gear selected, it's the perfect grab-and-go solution for a day out, keeping your essential gear organized and protected. Okay, that's the on-the-go kit. Now, for me, the throw pod feature alone is pretty genius. What's the one accessory you wish someone would invent for your camera setup? Let me know your brilliant ideas in the comments below. Now, let's get into the serious gear for capturing those epic high-impact shots. First, the electric suction cup mount. This is a beast. It's a powerful motorized suction cup that creates an incredibly strong seal on any smooth, flat surface, like a car's bodywork or a window. The killer feature here is an automatic sensor that detects the pressure and adjusts and maintains that strong and steady suction to keep your camera secure. And it can last up to 120 hours on a single charge. It works down to low temperatures, down to -15 degrees centigrade or 5 degrees Fahrenheit. With a double ball head, it gives you the confidence to mount your expensive camera for high-speed action shots without worrying about if it's going to fly off or not. But I mean, it's not foolproof, but then nothing is. But it certainly reduces the risk considerably. However, you can use it with the safety hole, allowing you to attach a cord so your camera won't go flying away even on steep hills or high speeds. Just remember to have some replacement lenses though, right? And if one isn't enough, there's the dual triple electric suction cup car mount. That's really hard to say. Dual triple electric suction cup car mount with a price to match. This is the professional grade rig for filmmakers, made from high strength materials and a durable 18mm carbon fiber support rod. It uses 2 or 3 of those motorized suction cups on an adjustable frame, creating an unshakable mounting point on a car for rock solid driving shots. Use this with the Action Invisible selfie stick to stay steady through rough roads, high speeds, and tough weather, and it's suitable for all your Insta360 cameras, from the 360 range to the Ace Pro and Go Series 2. Now, for motorcyclists, don't worry, you're not being left out. There's the new Motorcycle Magic Arm. This is a heavy-duty dual ball head magic arm that allows for almost infinite adjustability, letting you position your camera for the perfect third-person POV shot that captures you and the bike in action. It's reliable, rugged, secure, and built for the demands of the road. It supports handlebars on most mainstream motorcycles and has a universal interface to mount not only your 360 camera, but also your Ace or Go Series cameras too. You can even remove the arm after you've used it and leave the base in place as your end plug on your handlebar, saving you setup time for every ride. Now, I don't know about you, but this is exactly the sort of hassle that prevents me from using my camera on scooter rides. Anything that cuts down on setup complexity makes it easier and more likely that I'll use my camera to record my rides, meaning more memories made and more value from my camera. All right, if you're a creator who geeks out on finding the perfect gear to get the perfect shot like me, make sure you're subscribed with notifications on. That way you won't miss any of my future deep dives on the latest tech for travel and filmmaking. Alright, next up, 2 accessories that solve the biggest frustrations for every action camera user. First, the FOMO power handle. This is the answer to battery anxiety. It's a comfortable grip with a massive 6100 milliamp hour battery inside. It means you can shoot 8K video for hours on end without ever worrying about your camera's internal battery. It also has a built-in tripod and detachable mini remote, making it a true all-in-one powerhouse. And second, the FOMO power neck mount. We've looked at this before and it's just as brilliant. It's a comfortable neck mount that houses a huge 4800 milliamp hour power bank. It's the ultimate solution for all-day hands-free POV shooting. For travel vloggers, hikers, or parents, this is the accessory that lets you capture your life without ever thinking about your gear. For both these power tools, check out my dedicated videos. Links are in the description. Finally, a truly unique accessory for underwater creators. This is the Dive Buddy. It's an inflatable floating buoy for Americans, designed to be paired with the invisible dive case. With this, you can achieve neutral buoyancy for truly hands-free operation. You can capture stable third-person shots of your entire underwater adventure. You can also mount your camera on the included tripod to record your scenes without disturbing the marine life on the seabed around you. It's an ingenious, simple solution that provides incredible peace of mind when you're shooting in deep water. From everyday convenience to professional mounting and all-day power, there's a tool here to solve almost any problem. But you might have noticed I left one crucial accessory off this list. This is the one single piece of gear that I literally use every single time I pick up my X5, and it has completely changed my workflow. To find out what that one essential accessory is, you need to watch my ultimate Insta360 accessory guide right now. Click the video on the screen and I'll see you over there. Up here.